Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we will learn the totally different concept. It's called fragments. So far we were working on the activity, but fragment is the most important part for modern application development. All the latest applications like WhatsApp and Facebook and some other applications, they mostly use fragments. So fragments are the concept to divide the activity in different parts, and we can replace the layouts within a single activity with the help of fragments. So in this video we will learn how we can add fragments and how we can replace the fragments within an activity. For that I am just removing first the hello word, and now I am using first of all the buttons. First I will using the containers for fragments like this. First of all we should have first create a fragment also. So what we do, I just take first of all the fragments, two fragments I take, new and fragment, empty fragment I will take, fragment, and here I just say fragment 1, fragment 1 and finish. And now I say fragment 1 I have, and I take one more fragment, fragment 2, blank fragment, then I take fragment 2, fragment 2, finish. Now we have a layout of fragment also. So you see here we have the hello fragment. So I just change it layout, and I just change this value under the string. So hello fragment, this I say it is fragment 1, just to we have to change the text, not the name. I will change the text here. Fragment 1 like this. So it has been changed here, fragment 1, and I just give the position, gravity to the center, and size also, text color I say red, and size also, size I say 40 sp, like this, just for your information that this is the fragment 1. And we can design layout also as per your requirement, because this is the same layout which we have in activity. Just we can design, drag and drop here over items. So this we have done. Now we have to go to the fragment 2, and fragment 2 also we have to take the value in a string. So we are just taking here once again one more value, and I say this fragment 2, fragment 2, data for fragment 2, and I change this also for fragment 1, and here I say fragment 2 like this. So I just go there in a layout, and I change this to fragment 1 like this way, and I go there also, and I need to change all the information that I change here to the text view which is inserted here. So I go there and I just change this one, and I just insert the text also, and I say here fragment 2. So fragment 2 has been come. So this is the layout for fragment 2 and this is the layout for fragment 1. Both have been designed. So just close all these. Now we have fragment 1, we have fragment 2, we have main activity. So fragment 1 is ready. Now we have to put the container here, you see, and it asking which fragment you want. I want first fragment to be inserted by default first of all, and now we are just giving the position vertically and horizontally like this. I remove this one also, and I give it the size to the match parent, and width I also give it the wrap content like this, and I just want to give the heading ID also. For that, ID is fragment container view. Okay, no problem, this is fixed. Now I have to design the button also to change the fragment layout. So one button and two button. So here I am just linking this one with the bottom one, and I want this to be link this side also, and this button should link with this button like this, and change this one to this side. And now we can add this to this one, this fragment, and this also I add with this fragment like this. Now I just do the event handling for this buttons also. I say fragment 1 and I say fragment 2 like this, and button we can change btn fr2 fragment 2, and I change it btn fr1 like this, and here I change this also btn fr1. So like this we have changed it. So like this way we have done this. If I try to run this program, now you see fragment 1 has come, but whenever I want to click on fragment 2, then the fragment 2 should come. When I click on fragment 1, then fragment 1 should come. That for that we are going to make a coding. So I check this 44, this is this one, we have 36. So I should change it to 36 also, because it will look like the same. Like this way, it looking odd, but as per the layout, both are on 36 place. Okay, now we have to make a coding, so we should go to the main activity, and here I just have to access the button. For that, I can enable these button by using the view binding. For that, I am just enabling view binding. Like this, and synchronize the Gradle. So by this way, view binding will enable in my application. View binding is the new way to remove the find by view ID. For that, I have to create here the binding object. So binding activity main binding, that we need here, like this. Now I have to create the object for this, equal to activity main binding inflator, and here layout inflator we have to link, and here I have to pass binding dot root. So binding has been completed. Now directly I can access the button. So button 1 dot set on click listener, and here I will do the coding for fragment 1. One more method, button btn fragment 2. Now set on click listener, on click listener, and here I will do the coding for second button. So first one, what I have to do, I have to do fragment manager support fragment manager dot begin transaction dot replace, and here I have to pass r dot id dot the container, that is the fragment container view, this one, this container which I have inserted here, this one, the first container, this id I have to add here, and then I have to add the object of the fragment. So new, for object of fragment classes fragment 1. So fragment 1 we have passed here, fragment 1 I have passed here, and dot commit. So just in single line I have complete this, and for second one also I just go there, and I want to replace with the fragment 2. So on 2 I just replace with the fragment 2. So now I try to run this code again. You see by default fragment 1 is coming. I click on the button fragment 2, the fragment 2 has come. I click on the fragment 1, the fragment 1 come, fragment 2, fragment 1, fragment 2, fragment 1. So by this way we can replace number of fragments within a single activity. The activity is only one, and there is a container, and in this container we have replaced the two fragments layouts. So this is the way to use fragments in Android using Kotlin programming language. Thank you for watching this video.